What is up, Crypto Trend Squad? Today we're going over why I think KISHU Inu will be one of the next tokens added to Dog Park, and the recent updates from the Sanshu Inu team, which there are a lot to cover. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, subscribe to the channel where we are constantly making new videos. Okay, so first I want to go over Sanshu Inu. Let's take a look at the 7-day. It's been a rough 7 days and last month here for Sanshu. As we can see from the chart, a lot of the cryptocurrencies in the meme space have been dropping, and that is a shame, but it's just because the overall market has been dropping, obviously, throughout the summer. Hopefully by the end of the summer, this will rebound as people predict, and these meme coins will start going up again. But in the meantime, Sanshu Inu's team has been hard at work to ensure that when the summer rebound happens, they are ready to take advantage of it. So let's go into one of the things they've been doing, which is Dog Park, and why I think KISHU will be one of the next tokens listed on Dog Park. And so you can see here, there was actually this straw poll that was listed on the Sanshu Telegram, and lots of people voted in the poll, and it's on which token should be added next on Dog Park. And so let's read the message here. The community asked, and we hear you. We're giving you guys the power to select who you wish to be listed next. The top 2 Inus with the most votes gets listed. And you can see here, this one just doesn't have that big of a community. I'm not even sure how they got this many votes in the first place. I never see them talked about on the Sanshu Telegram. I'm kind of hesitant to believe that this was not botted. I think that KISHU will be the next one. KISHU is listed a ton on the Telegram. Maybe not the next one, but one of the next ones, maybe by the end of the summer, listed. And I think that KISHU will be, because KISHU's marketing team is just so good. They're on top of the game. They're always putting out updates, and they're willing to work with everyone. So that's why I think KISHU will be added. But I want to hear what you guys think. There's a lot of dogs here added. Obviously, the next one added was Inu, which I'll cover soon, but that only got 1% of the vote. I still think that KISHU will be one of the big ones. Just like if they added Akita, I think they'll go after KISHU next. But that's what I think. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below with your prediction on what dog token will be added next. Okay, and so let's go over to updates on Sanshu Inu, because there's a lot to cover over the past week. First off, on their Twitter, they've been hyping this woof date. This actually comes out on July 18th, so 2 days from now. If there's anything big, I will cover it in an update and post a video. But for now, there's enough things to cover even just from the last week. And so here you can see a funny looking graphic. Papa Inu and I are developing something very special for the Sanshu army, so it's definitely something different than just Dog Park. They must be doing something else that's totally separate, and they'll release that information, I'm assuming, on Sunday. They cover a little more updates on Woof Date. They cover a little more hype stuff on Woof Date. They want to tag Elon Musk and Grimes. I think that's going to be tough to get them to respond. But hey, what do I know? Let's see how excited Sanshu Army is. And they also talk about their upcoming Minecraft server and manga, so that'll be very cool. Maybe they'll bring in even some people outside of crypto to the crypto space, especially with Sanshu Inu. And they got these cool custom graphics here. I really like the amount of work the Sanshu team is doing right now. Every single week, they got this cool manga cover here. I'm actually kind of excited to see what it's going to look like, the full manga, when it comes out. I hope it's actually digital so I can just read it online, but we'll see. Finally, they have here, they added a new coin to Dog Park, this Akita Inu, which is very cool. I like this graphic a lot. It's funny. The dog is obviously way bigger than Sanshu. I think that's a great addition. I think it's a smaller coin. I've never heard of it before Sanshu announced it, but the more the better. And you can see here they actually only have 3 cars in the roller coaster graphic, but I'm sure as they add more tokens to Dog Park, they're going to have more roller coaster cars for the future dogs. And you can see here, let's watch this, the update video. I really like the graphics they do. Again, it's great for bringing people in to the team and as holders, and I think it's a great addition from the marketing team. For the last update I made, Sanshu's team has been doing great work. The meme coin space obviously has been taking a hit for any of us holders, but Sanshu's team is doing so much work that I think that once the crypto space recovers, Sanshu will be primed to take advantage of it price-wise. But that's what I think. What do you guys think? Leave a comment on what you think of Sanshu. Are you still happy to hold it? What do you think the next dog token is going to be in Dog Park? I'd love to hear your thoughts from the Sanshu holders. And that's it for today's episode. I will see you all in the next update.